Ábrelo por favor. Se puede. Tú hablas.
Okay.
Dígame.
This is the big storm since 1967. Oh my God, I mean, watch how much ice. Can you even find the stairs? Where's my truck? Watch out my truck. You can see the tires. Oh my God, watch that car all the way there in the corner there, parked. I know this car was right. Police. Me para porque ve el carro.
¿Qué tengo acá?
There's a truck, they're trying to clean. What's those big trucks, you see? Oh my God, it's beautiful though. Really, really beautiful. 18 inches of snow in Waukegan. And it's coming more till 3 this afternoon. Uy, mira el viento. Oh my God. Are you busy?
Yeah.
Why don't you go outside now?
You crazy?
Oh my God, look at the blizzard. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.